Alright, here we go. A new place, new adventure. Sun's out. Oh, I know there's a movie line in there. Let's go. We're in Proud Lake off Wixom Road. Hello, fellow kayakers. It's a beautiful sun-drenched day. 70-something, gonna be 80-something this week. Putting in a Proud Lake, Wixom, Milford Township area. Wixom was originally, I think, was called something Corners. And then was changed down the line. Didn't become a village until the 50s, which that's really crazy for out here. And that was because, you know, the railroad lines were getting bigger out here, and Ford Motor Company had the Wixom plant here. On the Huron River again, just upstream, short road trips. A lot of cars out today. Just saw a couple kayakers earlier with their dogs. Let's enjoy the day. Got my new oars, or paddles, whichever way you want to go. Trying them out. Yeah, they don't match the color of the boat. Who knows, I'll have to get my own kayak soon, probably. I'll get kicked off of this one. I turned around at the dam. I could have gone up farther, but I didn't feel like clearing up and over the area. Now I'm heading back. I think I went about 45 minutes up. Now going downstream and barely paddling. Coming to the end of my journey. A lot of fun, a lot of people. Everybody's having fun. Happy paddling.